Duplicate rows in Google Sheets can really mess up your analysis. As an example, you might be counting the same sale multiple times. Before you know it, you're reporting 10 million in revenue when it's actually 8. It's not good. So before we trust our data, let's fix it. So in our file, we have a list of employees, and Haley Dale appears to be a duplicate. And what I want to do is leave the green row, but remove the others in yellow after that. So I'll start by selecting all of my data, and I can use Control A to do that. Then I go to the Data tab, Data Cleanup, and Remove Duplicates. And I'll say that my data has a header row, and I'm going to leave all the columns checked. And this means that Google is going to look for rows that are exactly the same all the way across. And so when I click the button, it's going to remove that full duplicate. Now, if I also wanted to remove the last row, even though only one column is duplicative, I'll select all of my data again and go back to Remove Duplicates. And I'll say, again, there's a header row, but I'm only going to select the employee ID column and then remove that duplicate. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.